people are happier with the comfort level of heat because they can control easily with a remote control the heaters above their area. So anybody that's too hot can turn theirs off. Anyone that's a bit chilly can put theirs on, and it's contained in the area to suit that person. So we have noticed that's a massive improvement.
All of the heaters are ceiling mounted, so it does project the heat down on top of the entire work area.
Hi, I'm Deanne, Operations Director from the Label Centre.
I'm Liam, and I'm the Finance Director.
The factory we moved into had no heating at all, so we had a big decision to make on how to heat the space. Our previous factory was heated with gas blowers, and we weren't keen to follow that same route just because we wanted to be more sustainable. The reason for the infrared heating recommendation was because we could just heat a particular area of the building rather than the whole building. Throughout our factory, we had an overhead tray system to carry all our electric cables, so the heaters actually fit to those really nicely and look smart, look modern, look neat.
And the plus with the infrared heaters is that because they only heat a specific area, when the roller shutters are opened, none of that heat escapes. We found that the electricity cost really wasn't as bad as we were expecting.
I don't think it's risen much in comparison to what we were paying before for the gas heating, has it? Because all the heaters aren't on at one time. It's just literally on and off on demand as the comfort level is required for the individual. We are glad we proceeded with Herschel because their customer service was excellent. They provided competitive pricing and gave us a very quick turnaround on installation.